Presenting the latest Samsung Galaxy M32. Samsung Galaxy M32 is available in two colors, black and light blue. The phone is available in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB, 6GB RAM plus 128GB. Memory can be expanded up to 1TB. This is a dual SIM capable smartphone. It has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display. It has a Full HD resolution with 1080 x 2400 pixels, 212 ppi with 16 million colors. It has a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera f1.8, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera f2.2, 2 megapixel depth camera f2.4 and 2 megapixel macro camera f2.2. It has a 20 megapixel front camera. The phone is powered by Android V11.0 operating system with MediaTek MT6769V by CTZA octa-core processor, 2 GHz, 1.8 GHz. The phone is equipped with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery.
Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M31. The phone comes in color options of ocean blue, space black and iceberg blue. The phone has display of 6.4-inch, 16.21 centimeters, FHD plus resolution, 2340 by 1080, and 404 pixel density. The phone also has Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display. It has quad camera setup 64 MP, f1.8. It has main camera plus, f2.2, ultra-wide camera, f2.2, and depth camera, f2.4. Macro camera, f2.0, and 16mm color support. It comes with 6000 mAh battery. It has 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 512GB. It supports dual SIM. It runs on Android V10.0 operating system. It is powered by 2.3 GHz plus 1.7 GHz Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM, GPS and music player, video player, FM radio and accelerometer.
Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M21 2021 edition smartphone. This product comes in charcoal black color. It is also available in Arctic blue color. It has 4 variants with different memory storage. 4GB RAM with 64GB storage in color charcoal black and Arctic blue. 6GB RAM with 128GB storage in color charcoal black and Arctic blue. The phone comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory which is expandable up to 512GB. The phone comes with a dual SIM slot along with a micro SD card slot. The Samsung M21 has a 6.4-inch with Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display with 60Hz refresh rate. It features 420 nits high brightness mode for bright, smooth and clear viewing experience. It is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The phone comes with 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel triple camera setup, which is segregated as primary, ultra-wide and depth camera at the back. The aperture ranges from f2.0 to f2.2. It also has 20 megapixel front camera. It is powered by One UI Core 3.1 on Android 11.0 operating system with Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. The phone comes with one lithium-ion battery with a power rate of 6000 mAh. Presenting the Redmi Note 10T 5G, designed with 3D curved back and evolved design philosophy in which the smallest element will give a large impact for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games and reading ebooks. The phone is available in chromium silver color. It is also available in the color of metallic blue, mint green, graphite black with memory storage of 4GB RAM 64GB and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. The phone comes with a 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB memory with UFS 2.2 storage. It has an expandable storage of up to 1 TB. The phone has a dual 5G SIM with hybrid SIM card slot. This phone has a 6.5 inches FHD Plus AMOLED.IPS display, 180Hz touch sampling with 90Hz high adaptive refresh rate that optimizes power usage as per user's activity. The screen is guarded by Corning Gorilla Glass protection and a pre-applied screen guard for added protection. It features P2I splash proof which protects the phone from accidental spill or splashes. The Reading Mode 3.0 with paper texture helps to protect the eyes. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The phone comes with triple rear camera setup, powered with AI vision technology. The 48 megapixel primary camera has an aperture ratio of f1.79, 2 megapixel depth lens and 2 megapixel macro camera lens. It has an 8 megapixel front camera. Powered by MIUI 12 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor with 2x A76 Cortex, clocked up to 2.2 GHz speed. It is designed with 7nm technology. The phone comes with one lithium polymer battery with a power rate of 5000 mAh, supports for 18-watt fast wired charging, gives a battery life of 2 days. The phone's standby time with data stays up to 456 hours. Presenting the TechnoSpark 7 Pro smartphone gives a superior experience in every aspects. It is available in Alps Blue and Magnet Black. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. TechnoSpark has a 6.6-inch dot-in IPS display with an 89.5% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 1600 x 720 pixels resolution, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. It also has special features like App Twin, Audio Share 2.0. The phone features a 48 megapixel AI triple camera with main camera AF 48 megapixel, portrait camera 2 megapixel /3p/f2a and AL lens 1pf/2.0. It also has many features like dual flash, super night shot, eye autofocus, smile shot, video bokeh, video beauty, wide selfie, short video in the front and the rear enables super night shot, smile shot, time-lapse video, slow motion, video bokeh, video beauty, eye autofocus to capture the beautiful memories. Powered by Android 11 operating system with Helio G80 processor at 90Hz refresh rate, this phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 35 hours of phone talk time and 34 days of phone standby time.